Hey everybody, this video is going to go over how to use Office 365, and there is a disclaimer for this video. I am still learning how to use it. I use my Microsoft stuff on my computer most of the time, and so when I go on to 365 I can muddle through. And so you are going to see me muddling a little bit because I am still unsure how to use it effectively, which is why I keep going back to use it on my computer because I know what I'm doing there. But I know that some of you would really like to use the cloud, and so I am going to muddle through and show you what I know. And if you have more questions, we can muddle through together, or you can find somebody who knows more than me. So I'm right on Normandale's website again, and I'm going to navigate to D2L because that's where everything happens, is in D2L. So we're going to sign on with our Star ID, and here we go, signing on. Thank you. My daughter just brought me a drink because she is amazing. All right. So here we are on D2L, and you know how to get to our class already, so I'm just going to use the waffle. And I'm going to go to this class here. And you will see I'm going to go in as a student so you can see exactly what you would be seeing on your site. So this is what your web page will look like. It looks a little different for mine usually because I'm the instructor. But you can see right here it says Office 365. And then down, if you scroll down, it says take me to Office 365. So there are two different ways. I think this is clearer than this. This is just icons and that freaks me out. So I usually use this. But let's use this because I'm muddling through, okay? So I think we go here, open OneDrive. So if you hover, it kind of tells you what's going on. So let's do that, see what happens. Looks like I'm already signed in. So I am going to sign out, like if they're gonna let me here. I'm going to sign out so you can see what it looks like when I have to sign in. All right. So I'm coming back here, and I've been signed out, it looks like. I'm going to just get out of there. Okay, so let's try that again. Thank you for muddling with me. Opening OneDrive. And now it's asking me to pick an account. And I don't really know why I have two accounts because I didn't think that I had two accounts. But you know what? That might happen to you as well. And the first time I went here, I was in the wrong account. Because see, it's my Normandale email and everything, so I thought I was in the right spot. I'm not. You're going to want to look for the MnState address. So your star ID at mnstate.edu. This is the correct account to get to your OneDrive. So I'm going to click on that, and I don't have to enter my password because I just have it saved, but it would be your star ID password. So I'm going to sign in, and I usually say yes, and that's why I was signed in when we did it the first time. So here is my OneDrive, and you can see that I have a mess. I have a whole bunch of documents that I haven't named. I have no idea what they are. This is why I used my computer because and then you can see that I started figuring it out a little bit, but it is not good. It is not good. So I'm going to try and start by doing a Word doc. So I have to find my Word documents. So I think I go here. Yep. If you go up to this waffle up here, then you can find the application. So here's Word. And I am going to do a new document. And here I am. I'm in a new document now. So remember what my assignment was. My assignment from my English teacher was to write about what I did on my summer vacation. So I have to put my name on my paper because, of course, that is a requirement, right? And then I'm going to give myself a few spaces. And now up here, these are different, a little bit different. So I'm going to go here. And this is text alignment, and I have to click on this little arrow. I'm still going to center my title because my paper still needs a title. So what I did on my summer vacation, right? Giving myself a few, and then I have to realign it to the left. There we go. And I'm going to try and remember what I wrote. It was something about fishing, wasn't it, with my husband? I think so. So, my favorite memory from this summer is when I went fishing with my husband up north in Alexandria. The lake was cold. So as you can see, as I kept typing, it automatically went down to the next line, so I didn't have to worry about doing a return in between the lines. And I'm also noticing that, if my teacher, we're not naming names or anything, has bad eyes because she's old, maybe I need to double space, which is a requirement. So I'm just going to highlight everything. And did you see how I did that? You just get your cursor right here and you press down on the mouse and you drag it. And then I can go up here. And again, this is alignment, so that's not what I want. I don't know how to do it here. I'm going to press these 3 buttons to see if it has more options for me. Line spacing, that's what I want. 2, double space. There, now it's double spaced. All right, and so that's going to be my story. I would, of course, write lots and lots of things, but as you can see, it has saved my document already, and that is what messes me up with the web version, is because it just saves it, and it's saving it as document 11, which I won't remember. So I need to figure out how I can save this better. So I'm going to do this, and it says file name, and I don't want it to be document 11. I want it to be what I did on my summer vacation. Okay, and now it says location, and it's in this folder that's my folder in documents. And to be perfectly honest, I do not know how to get to a different folder. So I think I'm just going to have to leave it there, which is why my OneDrive is a mess, because in my other one I could choose. But I don't know how to, I don't know. This is a version. All right. So this is what it looks like now. 4 minutes ago, it looked blank. Right, that's cool. All right, I'm going to go back to the document. So if something happens, you can go back and look at your history, I guess. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to go to File. And there's nothing there either. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know how to get back to my OneDrive either. So let me go to the waffle. And here's my OneDrive. So I'm going to go back there. And you're going to see that I did try really hard to have some folders in here. And to be perfectly honest, I don't even know how I did that. I think that I have this new folder, and I'm going to name this ENGC 900. Okay, so I'm creating that folder, and then it's right there. And I think that because I just did this, I have to scroll all the way. Look at what a mess this is. Oh my goodness. Here it is, what I did on my summer vacation. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to go up here, and it says move to. Choose a destination on your OneDrive. Okay, did you see what I did? I had to click on my OneDrive, and now I can go to ENGC and I can move it there. Let's see if it worked. ENGC, we'll open it. What I did on my summer vacation. Yay! So I just showed you how to do it, even though I was confused the entire time. I still figured it out. So this is another lesson for you, is that even if you're confused, if you just start clicking on stuff, sometimes you can figure it out. So in sum, what you want to do is you want to save your documents with a title of your assignment, and you're going to want to create files in folders. So just like I showed you on the other one, if I went to my files, here's this, you click new, and you do a new folder, and you could name it, Normandale if you wanted. And then in the Normandale folder, you can have all your classes. And so then you have a place where all of your stuff for your class is. And then you can find your things really easily. So then if some glitch happens in D2L and you submitted an assignment on time and it was in the assignment folder and something happened and I couldn't see it in the assignment folder, and you email me and say, why do I have a 0? I did that assignment. And I say, not in my assignment folder. And then you, of course, show me the receipt from doing that, and I will go over that in another video. And I go, oh, okay, well, why don't you just email it to me? You will know exactly where it is, and you'll be able to give it to me. Okay, so that is my spiel for the Office 365. Remember, you all have an account already. The only thing you have to do is sign into it, and it's free. And then I did want to show you this too. Go to my OneDrive. Shoot. Oh man. Now I have to figure it out. To the waffle. To the OneDrive. Okay. Oh, nope. It's not what I want. I want it to go to the apps. Office 365? Yes, that's where I want. Okay, so this is usually the page that opens up right when you get here. And if you want to install Office on your computer, you just click this button. And you just click here. I'm not going to because I've already done it, so I don't want another copy on my hard drive. But you just click here and follow the directions, and you can get it on any computer or device. And you can do it up to 5 devices for free. So you can have it on your desktop. So when you're at home, you can use your desktop. You can put it on your laptop if you use that when you're out going, I don't know where. And then you can have it on your phone just in case you need to do something on the run. Or if you have an iPad or a tablet, you can do it there too. So definitely take advantage of that because it's free, and so why not? Okay, so if you have questions, you can ask me, and I will muddle through with you again. Otherwise, I will see you in the next presentation.